Hello guys, welcome to another unboxing Wednesday. What do I have now? Let's open it up. In this video guys, I'm going to be unboxing this BONOSS magnetic oil drain plug. Let's open it up. This is made of titanium. All right. The reason I'm changing my original drain plug from my charger is that this is made of titanium. This is made of steel. Now these tend to rust with time. They tend to leak. This is a rubber gasket. They tend to leak and they can strip. They can strip when you tighten them. So you're better off, as of right now, I'm better off changing it to a titanium type plug. This one, this red cap, a magnet there that will catch any contaminants that might come loose, and it'll catch it right there. Whenever you drain it, you're gonna see if there's anything wrong with your vehicle. The new titanium is gonna be using a 13mm socket. So let's just go to the car and install it. Also, before going to the car, this one comes with a copper gasket right there. As you can see, they do give you some extra ones right there, so you know that it's not gonna leak. It's nice installed. Put that cover back on and we're good to go. Let's go to the computer so I can show you some specs of this this plug. And this is it. This will be it. I'm going to save these gaskets and the original plug also. And this will be it. Thank you very much, guys. I'll see you this weekend. And like always, God bless.